All right, this is how you print rosters from Schoolloop. So I use these rosters for my gradebook, and now I'm going to use them for tracking attendance and participation. So I'm going to go to my advanced creative writing class, and I'm going to click more, and then I'm going to click roster tools, and then I'm going to log in. Because why not? And then, so I went to, let me go back because, okay. Creative writing, more, roster tools, roster printout, and then you can do it with 20 columns or you can do it with 10 columns. I usually do 10 just because I have big handwriting, but you can do it however you want. And then it gives you gradebook order or alphabetical order. I do alphabetical. And then here's the roster, and then you click File, Print. And that is how you get this roster. Have fun!